Good evening. My name is Katrina Albright, and this is my sheep brain dissection. I have already cut it open, came like this, and we'll go through the lobes first to start. First, we have our frontal lobe here, parietal lobe. Our temporal lobe is going to be on the side, our occipital lobe here in the back. Our cerebral cortex is what we would think of as the wrinkly part here. In that cerebral cortex, we see grooves and ridges. The grooves here, the lower parts, are going to be our sulci. And then the ridges, the raised parts here, there's going to be the gyrus or the gyri. Where I've sliced our brain open, I've sliced it along the longitudinal fissure. If we were going to look for the lateral fissure, we would look here on the sides, the lateral fissure here. When we've opened it up, we look here. Here we see our corpus callosum. Here we have our thalamus. Right next to that we have our hypothalamus. Midbrain is going to be down here right next to the cerebellum. The medulla oblongata is here. And it's also noted that you can see the medulla oblongata on the back side. We've already spoken of the cerebral cortex here. The white matter you can see down here, white matter, and with the gray matter here. If we flip it over and we're looking for the meninges, we see this very thin, paper-like white. That's going to be the meninges of our sheep brain here. So that is the dissection of our brain.